Model, 2018 Fiat Doblo 1.3 Hdi 16-valve active multijet 2 factory crew cab 47k low miles VAT included. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 48,808. MOT, the 24th of May 2025. Engine, 1,248 cc 33,010,000. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, electric windows, parking sensors, aircon. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,095. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199973.